The biggest mistake that parents make when a child is being investigated for a crime by the police or at school is parents engage in the common misconception that walking in the door and providing a statement saying, "I didn't do it," or providing an explanation, kind of owning up to a mistake if it in fact occurred, is going to have some positive impact in the case. That is probably the number one misconception that parents have when their child is being investigated for some kind of wrongdoing. The reality is that walking in the door and providing a statement either to school administrators or to the police, usually it's being requested before the person that's being accused really knows even what they're being accused of. Imagine responding to an accusation without first having a fundamental understanding of what you're being accused of. How do you defend against that? How do you provide a cohesive, comprehensive response if you don't have a full understanding of what you're being accused of? And it is it would be very rare for a police officer or a school administrator to sit someone down who was being accused of a crime and say, here's all of the facts, here are all of the facts that we've investigated and uncovered, how do you respond to that? More often than not, they simply say, you're being accused of, or we've received a report of fill in the blank, and what do you have to say about that? It is very dangerous to walk into either a police department to speak to a police officer or to walk into a principal's office or some administrator's office to speak to the school administration to provide what you believe to be a statement in your defense, provide exculpatory information without first knowing exactly what you're being accused of. And even then, sometimes, and perhaps more often than not, it is not in your best interest, and parents, it's not in your child's best interest to walk in the door and give a statement.